Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show how you can annotate on Zoom. Well, to begin with, let me quickly start a meeting. After that, you just gotta start sharing your screen obviously in order to annotate on it. If you do not know or have any difficulties with sharing the screen at the Zoom meeting, we have a whole separate video on it, so check it out. Dive into sharing the screen or how to do that correctly in this video in particular. So we'll start the screen share, and once at the screen share, let's see, this menu over here is closed. Just tap on an arrow, go for the annotation, and we'll start annotating whatever you want. In here there are quite a few tools to annotate with. You can undo or redo, clear, and change the color of your for your pencil and highlights, as well as the line widths. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.